So in this video, we are required to factor this trinomial. Now, this particular trinomial is an algebraic expression, basically. So the best way to do is to decompose it. So how do we decompose? We have 6x squared minus 5x minus 4. So to decompose, we multiply the coefficient of x squared in the first term by the last term, which is minus 4. So that will be 6 times minus 4. That will give us minus 24. So now what we are looking for is we are looking for two factors such that when you add those two factors together to give you minus 5, and when you multiply those two factors to give you what? Minus 24. Now we can consider the factors of 24. What are the factors of 24? 12 and 2, then 4 and 8. And by looking at 4 and 8, we can actually use it to decompose it. So that would definitely, did I say 4 and 8? I wanted to say 3 and 8. Pardon me for that. That's 3 and 8. So we can use that to decompose this. That will be what? Plus 3 and minus what? 8. So if you look at it, plus 3 and minus 8 will give us minus 5, and 3 times minus 8 will give us minus 24. So wherever we see minus 5x, we replace it with what? Plus 3 and minus 8. So this will now be written as 6x squared plus 3x minus 8x minus what? 4. All right. So with that understanding, so we decompose this. And since this decomposition is correct, whatever it is that we factor out here will come back here to as a repetition to make it easier. So what is common to both of them? We can use 3x to factor this. So this one will be what? 3x into bracket 3x times 2x, right? 3 times 2, 6x times x squared. That's 6x squared. Then this one will not be plus 1 because 3x times 1, that's 3x. So basically what we be having here is 2x plus 1 as well. Okay, so what are we going to be having outside here? That should be minus 4, right? Minus 4 times 2x, that's minus 8x. And minus 4 times plus 1, that is minus 4. So since this term and this term are the same, so then we can take 3x and minus 4 as another factor entirely. So we're going to be having 3x minus 4 to bracket 2x plus 1. So this is the factor. These are the factor basically of that particular trinomial. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.